All right, we are starting our specific heat lab, and I have just turned on our scale. These are more than 150 grams, so, well, except for one of them, but we're going to have to use the less precise scale. It goes to plus or minus 0.1 grams. We're going to have three specimens. The first one is steel. Now I know it kind of looks like copper because it's brown, but it's steel or iron, 247.2 grams. And you can see it's kind of rusty. So how can you tell this is not copper? So if you look at it, copper is uniformly brownish. Sometimes it tarnishes to green, but this one is not uniform. Notice how it has blotches on it, and also when you touch it, it's very rough. Copper is not like this. Here's my copper. It's smooth. It doesn't have that many blotches on it. And let's do the copper. 100.5, make up your mind. 100.4 grams for the copper. And our last specimen is aluminum. I have a big chunk of that. 211.9 grams. Now I picked relatively large specimens. The larger specimen you have, the less the area you're going to get. There's going to be huge amount of heat transfer from the calorimeter cup to the room. So the larger sample you come out with, the smaller percentage that error counts towards the final value. All right, so you guys have all the masses. That's basically all we need to know is those masses. Then what we're going to do is take the masses of the calorimeter cup. So we're going to put these specimens inside a calorimeter cup. The calorimeter looks like this. Beautiful. It's aluminum with a bakelite top or plastic top. So what we're interested in is the inner aluminum cup. The inner aluminum cup. So there's an inner cup inside that we're going to mass. So this is the mass of the aluminum cup. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Back. The mass of the aluminum cup without water. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to fill up the aluminum cup with a little bit of water, just enough to cover the aluminum sample, or all the samples. So hold on, I'll be right back, and you can get the mass of the aluminum cup plus the water. Then, subtracting them, you can find the mass of the water itself. So again, 60.1 mass of the aluminum cup. Okay. Here's the mass of the cup with the water, 183.0 grams. So that's with the water, and it's about halfway filled. Well, yeah, a little less than halfway. So that's with the water. Then what you do is subtract off the mass of the aluminum cup, and you can find the mass of the water. So you need the mass of the aluminum cup and the mass of the water in your calculations. Okay, so let's set up the rest of the lab, and we will start the next video.